Hello everyone, my name is Carl Johnson with HIPAA Certify, and today I'm going to show you how to add employees to your org admin portal. Very simply, once you log in, you want to go over to where it says employees, right? From employees, you have two options. We can either add a single employee, one at a time. This is good if you have onboarding that takes place and you have one or two employees to add, or we can import from a CSV. Our system allows up to about 30 to 40,000 employees imported at one time. If you have more than that, just reach out and contact us. We're used to importing up to 100,000 employees at one time into our system. Now, in this case, for this demo, we're going to do add a single employee. We click on add employee. From here, let's put in their full name. We're going to use, for the sake of this demo, James Bond. Okay. Email address. For this demo, I'm going to use one of our demo email addresses. Their position is going to be nurse. Now, for a department, I recommend putting a department in. This will help you later on when you're assigning training, because you might want to assign training to a specific department. Depends on you. Of course, if you have a small organization, you don't need to put a department in. Hire date, I recommend you also use, especially if this is being used for onboarding. We're going to say Mr. Bond was hired last week on the 7th. And then from there, we're going to add employee. Okay. Now the employee has been added. In about a minute or so, Mr. Bond is going to receive an email that is asking them to go ahead and log in or give them credentials so they can log in. Now, the next video we'll talk about is assigning training, and that will allow Mr. Bond to now take his training because he has gone through the onboarding process with HIPAA Certify. Now, let's say, for instance, Mr. Bond no longer works for your organization. Very simply, we click up here, select Mr. Bond, and remove selected. And this works whether or not you have one employee or you have 50,000 employees. You can select and then, of course, delete them one by one. So in this case, we're going to select remove selected, remove employee. Are you sure you want to remove the employee? They will no longer have access to the platform. Their training records will be preserved for compliance purposes. Okay, remove employee and gone. Now, of course, you can see this plan, you're back to 0 out of 25 employees. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions whatsoever, please reach out to support@HIPAAcertified.com or look on our docs that are located on our website, which goes over step by step on how to onboard and assign employees training.